What's up, everybody? Welcome to the video, and today we're seeing if the fireworks are gone. Okay, they sure are. We'll miss you, fireworks. Well, guys, there's a secret cosmetic of a spyglass or a clock, and we're still on the hunt to find it. So it could have been, and the cops thing could have been just a mistake that Lemming added, or it could be some lore. There could be some lore to this. But yeah, guys. My fan codes, I'll put them in the description, but it's usually gonna be I can't spell it out. It's gonna be in the description if you wanna meet me. If I'm not there, I'm probably not online. And I also put oculus username in the description if you wanna add me, guys. So yeah. So let's continue on the video. Hit the town with the new road. Wait, what? Huh? But these are gone. That is crazy. Yeah. So I'm gonna just patrol any other branches. I don't see a new branch. The sign that I don't like. Nothing. The store that's behind here didn't change. I'm not going to check clouds because that just got something removed of it. A glitch just got removed, so wait, I'm pretty sure it got removed. So yeah, if this video gets 100 likes, I'll do a face reveal. So let's check. Oh, this is right there. Lava. Okay, there's no new updates. Okay. Sorry I'm saying okay so much, but that was episode 8. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell. Bye. G-Tag Anime Guy out.